Welcome to the Tattoo Owl setup tutorial. Before we get started, here's a quick look at the finished site so you can see what we'll be working toward. In this video, I'll walk you through the full installation and setup process step by step. You can find the live demo URL along with purchase details for Tattoo Owl in the description below. Okay, now let's begin setting up your new website. Start by opening the Tattoo Owl customer installation guide included with your download. Near the beginning, you'll find the quick install section, which outlines all 14 steps of the setup process. Starting from your WordPress dashboard, head over to Appearance and select Themes. Click Add Theme, then search for Kadence. Once you find it, click Install, and when WordPress finishes installing the theme, select Activate. That completes our first step. Next, we'll install the plugins Tattoo Owl needs. Step 2 requires a total of 7 plugins. 6 are standard WordPress plugins, and the 7th is the custom DPC theme setup plugin, included with Tattoo Owl. From the WordPress dashboard, head to Plugins and begin by searching for Kadence blocks. Install and activate it, then repeat that same process for Pods, Fluent Forms, WordPress Importer, Kadence Starter Templates, and Widget Importer and Exporter. Once those 6 plugins are active, we'll add the custom plugin. Select Upload Plugin, then choose File. Inside your Tattoo Owl package, open the 00 Tech Installer folder and select Install this DPC theme setup.zip. Install and activate the plugin. Once all 7 plugins are installed and active, step 2 is complete. Alright, now we're ready for step 3. This is where we'll install the actual Tattoo Owl theme. Go to Appearance, then Themes, and click Add Theme. Inside your Tattoo Owl files, open the 01 theme folder and select Upload this Tattoo Owl theme v1.0.0.zip. Once it uploads, click Install Now, then activate the theme, and that takes care of step 3. For step 4, we're going to import the Pods package. From your WordPress dashboard, hover over Pods admin and open Import/Export Packages. Select Import Packages, then choose your file. Go into the 02 plugin data folder inside your Tattoo Owl package, open the Pods folder, and upload the Tattoo Owl Pods package JSON file. Select Continue and wait for the import to finish. And just like that, step 4 is complete. Now it's time to import your contact forms. From your WordPress dashboard, open Fluent Forms, then head to Tools and select Import Forms. Inside your Tattoo Owl package, go back to 02 plugin data. Open the Fluent Forms folder, and you'll find 2 JSON files, the Tattoo Owl consultation form and the Tattoo Owl contact form. These forms need to be imported separately, so I'll start with the consultation form, complete that import, and then repeat the process for the contact form. Once both are imported, Fluent Forms will automatically assign each form its own ID. If you return to Forms, you should now see both Tattoo Owl Contact and Tattoo Owl Consultation listed and ready to use. Later, I'll show you how to customize these forms with your own business information in a separate tutorial. Now we're at step 6, and this is a big one because we're bringing in the actual Tattoo Owl site content. From your dashboard, head to Tools, select Import, and find the WordPress importer. Click Run Importer, then choose File. Inside your Tattoo Owl folder, open 03 site content and select the Tattoo Owl Content XML file. Click Upload File and Import, but don't rush past the next screen because there are 3 things we want to check first. Make sure Download and Import File Attachments is checked. That's what allows the Tattoo Owl media to come over with the content. Then check the Content Options box that updates URLs from the previous site to your current site. We want the imported pages and content pointing to your website, not back to the Tattoo Owl demo. Finally, choose the WordPress user you want the imported content assigned to. Mine says test because this is my testing environment, so yours will probably look a little different. Once those 3 things are taken care of, click Submit and let WordPress do its thing. When the import finishes successfully, we're officially through step 6. Steps 7 and 8 are nice and easy because we can knock them out on the same page. Head to Tools and open DPC Theme Setup. First, click Run Product Reconciliation. You only need to press this once, then let the Setup tool finish syncing everything. When that's done, stay right here and click Run Media Assignment. There's also a checkbox that lets you assign your own logo during this process. I'm going to leave mine unchecked for now, but you can use it if your logo is ready. Run the media assignment once, let it finish, and that takes care of both steps 7 and 8. Step 9 is where you'll really start to see the site transform. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance and select Customize. Inside the customizer, open import/export and switch over to the import section. Now open your Tattoo Owl package, go to the 04 site settings folder and select the Tattoo Owl Cadence settings.dat file. Upload the file and click import, and there it is. Your site now has the official Tattoo Owl styling and design settings applied. It's starting to look like Tattoo Owl, but we're not finished just yet. Only 4 more steps to go. For step 10, go to Tools and open Widget Importer and Exporter. Inside your Tattoo Owl package, head back to 04 Site Settings and locate the Tattoo Owl Widgets.wy file. I'm going to try importing it normally first. And as you can see, I got a file error. If yours imports successfully, great, you can move right along. But if you get the same error I did, here's the workaround. Select Copy and Paste instead. Right-click the .wie file, open it with a text editor, then use Ctrl-A and Ctrl-C to select and copy everything inside. Go back to WordPress, paste that information into the text box with Ctrl-V, and click Import Widgets. This time, everything imports successfully. Problem solved, and step 10 is done. Step 11 is an extra safeguard for existing websites. If Tattoo Owl is being installed on a brand new WordPress site, you don't need to run this step. For an existing site, go to Tools, select DPC Theme Setup, and locate Scan Page Collisions. This tool checks whether any Tattoo Owl page URLs conflict with pages already on your website. For example, if you already have a home, about, or contact page, the scan will flag that collision instead of allowing your existing page to be overwritten. It's a read-only scan, so nothing on your site is changed during this process. I'm working with a fresh installation, so I'll skip the scan and continue to step 12. Step 12 is completed on the same DPC theme setup screen under Homepage and Menu Assignment. Here you can compare your site's current settings with what Tattoo Owl is proposing. In my example, the current homepage is still set to display the latest posts, and Tattoo Owl is proposing the imported homepage as the new static homepage. You can also see that my primary and mobile menu locations are currently unassigned, so Tattoo Owl is proposing the imported main menu for both. Review each proposed change before approving it, especially if you're installing Tattoo Owl on an existing website. Each option is separate and unchecked by default, so only approve the assignments you actually want to change. Everything looks correct for my installation, so I'm going to select all 3 approvals and click Apply Approved Assignments. And with that, we're ready for step 13. We made it to the last 2 steps. For step 13, head to Settings, then Permalinks. Make sure the permalink structure is set the way you want it, scroll down and click Save Changes. Even if you don't change anything, saving here refreshes the permalink settings for the site. Step 14 is optional. If you want to update your site title and tagline now, go to Settings, then General, and replace the existing information with your own. I'm going to leave mine as is for this tutorial, and that's it. Tattoo Owl is officially installed.